Kementerian Ketenaga Information and Public Relations IPR ke Sarkar Jilla habalik ban simpenta kum ke kongsan hak Kelvin Cinema Festival ke balastang naduk kendai trik batkut hak khatwe trik mentau banai ke ai ke jing ro ke Kelvin ke bala ailat ban penlong ye ke jing persang ke jing kmi ye ki film bala snalengkot bat ye ki documentary film hapok ke Sosotham Auditorium ne ke State Central Library. Habayo iya ki film prepare ki bala pen ina ke benta ban le ke screening kala ye thu bala kan maru ye ki por ki bamanchwa haba kadang don benta bah hakine ki kamshna film haba kan ma bakat no kolong bajenjar ban sna ki film prepare kala ai ki jing ro pat ki nongshna film ki bala ha ban ma ye ki jing e prepare la kalong ye ki jing bam yo itu ke badai na sarkar ne na ki seng kala ong ba halor ki ne na kaliang ke sarkar kan yai piteng ban penli jimut ban penyo kila na ke benta baro ki nongshna film da ke ba ailat ban yo persyang mi pnya na screen ye ki film barabor haba kubur kidang don bon ki jaka hajla ki bampat pau shikman kala ong ba jing tmu ke sarkar per internet ye ke khandai lat police bazar kala ya rap shibon ye ki basna film ban say la ki sab haba ya tu shu shu ke Kelvin Cinema kala ailat ban yo persyang ye ki bobon tli ki film kementeri kala ai khublei kerpang ye ke yeng khasam ki kon ka na ke benta ke jing persyang barat ba ke ba ki labu na ke benta ki basna film ban poi chakaransan pakin yo ke jing bishar ba hok ni ba ki sab ki say hakane kata masa bas screening ki film kala don ru ke jing ai khusnam bat pen kuburom ni ki basna film bat ki we part ki program bat hakane ki program na don lang menteri ka sarkar jilla uba krimen shila bat ki we
the commendable efforts that they are putting in to appreciate short film makers and documentary filmmakers, and it is with great pride that we want to thank the Goenka family for this commendable effort. This movie, The Elephant Whisperers by Kartiki Gonzalez, is indeed exemplary, and hence it has received its various acclaims from various organizations. And I feel that we, the people who live very close to nature, are privileged to share our experiences with the rest of the world. And sad as the fact may be, this traditional relationship with our immediate nature is often jeopardized with the pressures of modernization and modern day living. Thank you so much, the Kelvin Cinema, for the commendable effort that you have put in to allow for the screening of so many films. I've seen the list of films here, and must appreciate all the people behind the success of the very fact that these films have been able to see their logical conclusions. It is always a noble wish to speak on behalf of filmmakers, but having been there myself in the earlier days of my career, I can understand the heartburn that our friends continue to face, not receiving the correct focus, not receiving the correct attention from governments and other organizations. And I feel that India today has realized the value of all of these stories that we continue to see before us unfold. And like my colleague Bakriman just said, there will come a day when we will be able to do justice to your talent, to your persistent hard work, and to your patience in receiving the necessary recognitions. I must thank Kartiki Gonzalez, Meenakshi Sidhet, and of course my once upon a time student and colleague in St. Anthony's, Dr. Sherry Karshieng, for willing to come here to this audience and to expose some of their wonderful initiatives with the people of Shillong and the state of Meghalaya in general. I particularly remember when I was very small, the one movie hall that used to be the talk of town was Kelvin Cinema. And I remember as a child, my late father would take me there, and we would be privy and privileged to be able to see so many movies, both in Kelvin as well as in Anjali. We are trying to provide spaces for the screening of films on a regular basis. We are trying now to ensure that we create these spaces in a very short time. The redevelopment of the Kandailar is one area which we are targeting to have these screening facilities for films. We have tried to handhold filmmakers expose themselves to national and international festivals. Yes, likely these opportunities do not come as regularly as they should. In a state like Meghalaya, where we still have so many areas that we need to focus to ensure that the people of the state receive what they are due to receive. But yes, whilst we are concentrating on ensuring that education, healthcare adequately reaches every man on the street, there is this other part of human life that also needs attention. We all love movies, we all like to listen to music, we are all enthused and touched by films of this nature. I'm sure that like this couple, there are many other couples and many other individuals who are fighting in the wild to protect nature, that we will try our best to be there for individuals who are deserving of our assistance. We will continue to focus and to provide opportunities for all of you. And we are so grateful to a non-government organization like Faces and the family, who continue to bring this hope, this ray of hope, to the hopeless feeling of likely many artists.